even as simply as like, where am I right now? It's always important to know, like, well, where am I physically this second, and that can
Right.
save valuable time. And then to piggyback off of that, in California, if you call 911 from your cell phone, it likely will go to a CHP office, not the agency that you're in. And so most
Wow.
agencies do have a 7-digit number you can plug into your cell phone. That's the 911 equivalent to that specific dispatch center. So
Wow.
if I'm in the
Okay.
city of Oakland, for example, there is a number that I can program. It's in my phone, OPD dispatch 911, that goes to the equivalent of calling 911 from a landline. So if I call
Wow.
one from, the downtown Oakland, from an office building in downtown Oakland, it'll go to Oakland Dispatch. But if I call 911 from that same location in my cell phone, it might go to the Oakland CHP office. And
Okay.
that'll create what could be a huge barrier of time to get from CHP dispatch to Oakland dispatch to then, reiterate that information or have that information, disseminated, and then law enforcement officers dispatched. That's a big misconception I want people to understand.
Yeah, that is huge. And it's almost what I'm hearing is what they almost need to do is like build out these contingency plans, like per city or per county, like where they're transporting to. So that way they know all of these things. Because, like, if a simple phone call is dependent on 5 miles or 25 miles in the Bay Area, as we know, like traffic can get insane. Like,
Yep.
that is not good news. That's a really great tip. So thank you for that.